Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Valentine's Day pizza surprise fold card. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our pizza Valentine's Day card, let's begin by folding our paper. I'll start by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Then I'll fold it one more time and I'll give it another nice fold. So it's kind of like a bookmark. Now I can open this up and I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to open it up like this for a nice fun surprise. Now to start off with our pizza, let's begin by drawing the crust. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a nice big kind of sad face shape right here. Next, starting here, I want to make a tall oval shape. And then over here, I'm going to make just kind of like a line that curves up, kind of about the same height. Next, I'll make another sad face that comes right here and connects. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line down and another line down here. And then I'll make a small line right there too. Next, starting here, I'll draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'll bring this up here for the bottom of the pizza. And then we'll make another line right here that's just going to go down, and then it'll just kind of curve in there. Then I'm going to put a few toppings on here. I'm going to make like a little partial circle here. And then I'll make a circle here. And then the top half and then the bottom half underneath here. Then I'll make another one right here. Then you can do whatever type of fun toppings you want on here. I might put a mushroom right here. So I'm just going to make two little lines that come down. Kind of like look like candy canes. I'll make a line here. And then we'll make a big shape around here. I'll add some little circles here with another little circle inside of here for like some olives. So we'll do a circle here, another one here. We'll do the same thing here. And then you can even add some little rectangle shapes on here too. That can be for things like extra cheese or little peppers, whatever you want to. Might throw a little half one on here right there. Maybe even one right here. Then I'm going to give my pizza a little face. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to begin by making a line across. I'm going to leave some space and I'll make another line across. Then I'm going to add a circle shape here, and then another kind of circle oval shape right here. I'll put a circle at the top of each one, and then I'll put a smaller circle at the bottom. Then I'm just going to color this part in. Just that way so we have like some little reflections in there. Next, we'll put a little smiley face shape right here. Now the next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now when I open this up, I have two halves of the pizza. So first, let's start here. I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down. We'll curve it around and then come up to here. And then we'll take this line down and just run it into here. Next, we'll curve this line down and up for that pepperoni. And then we'll add another little half circle here. We'll draw a mushroom, so we'll do those two little candy canes. A line across, and then another line right here. And then I'll make a couple little rectangle shapes here for some more detail. Next, right here, I'm going to draw this line up a little bit on each side. And then I'll make a line across. And I'll bring this line up and over. Starting here, I'm going to make an oval shape. We'll curve this across and then bring it down with a curve. We'll bring a line that comes up here and down for the pepperoni. And I'll make a little circle shape with a smaller one inside of it for another olive. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come in and out for a little winky face. And then the same thing over here. And then I'm going to make the mouth. I'll draw a line that comes over. We'll curve it down. We'll connect it here. Then I'll bring a line that's going to come over and up. And a little line here that will color in for a mouth. Now, inside of here, I'm going to make a big kind of like pointy zigzag explosion kind of shape. So I'm going to make a bunch of little points on here all around. And then we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to put a bunch of little pointy zigzag shapes all around here. Now, inside of here, I'm going to write the words, "You have a pizza, my heart." So I'm going to go and fast forward through this, and when I'm done, you can always stop it and pause it, and that way you can see how I wrote it out. And there you go. Now that I'm all done, you see that I wrote out "You have a pizza, my heart." I even put a little bit of extra detail on the pizza lettering and even made it a little bigger than everything else. Instead of writing out the word heart, you can always just draw a little cute heart. Now, when I fold this up, I have just a nice little pizza, and then when I open it up, I have this great big surprise. And this works out for a great Valentine's Day card for someone. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.